Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to host your website on AWS EC2 simple way. You need to follow some steps. First, you need to create EC2 instance. So let's go. For create EC2 instance, you need to go to EC2 interface. Then you need to click launch instance. Then you need to name your instance. Then click any type of instance like AWS Red Hat. You need to create key pair. Okay. Then you need to go to network setting. Then you need to edit network setting. You need to create a security group or existing security group. Here I will create my security group name, which may be host underscore DMZ or demonetized zone. Now all is okay. You need to launch your instance. It may take some time to run your instance perfectly. Then you need to go to your security group. Here I will edit some rule, which is inbound rule or outbound rule. In this way you can route your instance. Here I will go to inbound rules. You need to edit port, SSH port and HTTP port, RDP port enable. Okay. Now launch your instance and connect. You can SSH through your laptop. I will connect it through my web browser. Okay. I will go sudo user, then command yum install httpd. Right. Then you need to input command systemctl enable http. Then systemctl start httpd. Then you need to type echo and content of your website, then save it var .html index.html format. You also insert your link, which may be your drive link, in this way. Okay, all is done. Now go to your public IP and hit browser. Through HTTP request, it will redirect your website. If my video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and follow my videos and comment my videos.